and from our Montreal studios, taking on arts news, we have in the studio Siwela, who sings a cappella music and is also a leader of the group uDonsi, Lwabapostoli. He's going to tell us more about their musical career as a group. Ngobani, welcome to the studio.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sister.
So please give us a brief background about your group.
uDonsi Lwabapostoli is an a cappella group that was formed on the 20th of August, year 2020, during the difficult times of COVID-19. We have melodious sounds of apostolic, dashed with imbube. Yeah, our group consists of 8 members, some of them still very young, primary level and early secondary level.
Okay, so what really inspired you to sing a cappella?
Engakutsho ukuthi umculo kithi abaculi ilanguage ikucommunicator, so a cappella ayila disturbance. We are mainly doing gospel, so ukuthi sikhulumele inhliziyo yomuntu sidinga ukuthi ilizwi lisuke straight emlonyeni liye straight enhlizweni yomuntu direct kungelenye disturbance. Yikho sakhetha ukuthi singene emculweni ongela instrument.
Okay, so you said your a cappella is fused with apostolic sounds.
Yeah.
How do the people accept that?
Most people in the music industry are much concerned about creativity. So they are loving the creativity that we are bringing to the industry. So they are very happy about it.
Okay, so how many albums do you have now?
So far we have 1 album.
Okay, tell us more about the album.
That album consists of 8 songs, mainly gospel, though we have other singles that were released after the album, which are talking about Africa and so forth. So we are still working on the second album that will be out soon.
Okay, so what are the main challenges that you are facing as artists or as a group?
Umculo esingakutsho sikhangelela ukuthi ube ngumsebenzi kuma artist, of which asikafiki kuleyo level yokuthi sikwazi ukuthi umculo wethu ube ngumsebenzi. So i-challenges asekhona, but we are much concerned again ngokuthi asisebenzisani labantu okumele sisebenzisane nabo. Thina nje abahlabeleli singaba nesiphiwo sokuhlabelela, we think sesilento yonke, but business wise kumele ukuthi sibe nabantu abasebenzisana nathi, abangasenzela i-marketing, abangasifaka kwezinye indawo esingeke sifike khona thina ngenxa yesiphiwo kuphela. So that is with the challenge that we are facing. We think we have got it all if sicula nje.
Who do you think those people should be?
I don't know. I'm not sure, but someone should teach us how to market ourselves. We need serious marketing strategies so that our music reaches the corporate world or the music promoters.
Okay, so any word to upcoming artists?
Engakutsho kwabazayo ukuthi i-passion, the potential esilayo ayitsho ukuthi sesikwazi ngomculo. If you see yourself that you've got potential for music, find someone who can teach you what music is, so that when you are getting to the industry, you've got everything that you need. That's the word I can leave to the upcoming.
Okay, so where are you guys found? Say someone wants to listen to your music or someone wants to hire you.
Okay, mainly our Facebook page is uDonsi Lwabapostoli, our YouTube channel uDonsi Lwabapostoli, TikTok uDonsi Lwabapostoli. That's our most active social media handles.
Okay, Ngobani, thank you so much for coming through, and all the best to your group. We pray that you continue growing, and since you said your second album is on the way, all the best.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so that was